Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm in my new place and I needed some cutting boards. So I got these ones here. These are from Vipcook. It's got some weight to it, so these are going to be some big old cutting boards. Let's see how they look. It's a set of 3 and it's a plastic cutting board. Set of 3. I'll show you guys what the little one looks like here. And I always need cutting boards for just various things. I like to do apples and different food and stuff like that. So I got these ones here. These are, made of really hard, solid plastic, but it's got the rubber on it too, which I liked because then when I put it down on the counter, it won't slide around. It'll stay in place. So that's what's good about the rubber stuff on it. So we got that size, which is probably, I don't know, almost 8 by 10 or so. And then we have the bigger one here, and we have the biggest one here. So, and it's got a little trough in it. I'm going to say it's not much of a trough in it to catch some of the juices. So, if you have anything that's too juicy, it's not going to be deep enough. But if you just got a little bit of juice in it, it's going to be good. So, and the backside has none. So, you can cut on both sides. So, these are sweet. I like them. So, I'm going to put these into my cabinet and have them for when I go and cut some stuff up. Probably going to make some chicken tomorrow. So, thumbs up.